Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook ground meat with quail eggs, okay? So these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, butter, and then oyster sauce, raisins, potatoes and carrots, and then the quail eggs, and then the ground meat, garlic, bell pepper, white onions, and spring onions. Start. I'm gonna use butter. On the meat first. Kind of meat, pork, beef, chicken. Okay, so the one available in my freezer is pork, so that's why I use pork and soy sauce. We're gonna let the meat cook first, guys, before anything else. Okay, so we're gonna cover that one and we'll be right back. Get so much oil because from the meat, so I'm gonna try to take it out. Okay, the garlic first, guys. And then the onions. Guys, and then the bell pepper and the green onions. Okay. Soy sauce again because it's not salty yet. Okay, guys, the oyster sauce. And add the carrots and the raisin, and tomato sauce in your ingredients because I forgot to add the tomatoes and peas, so please include in your ingredients. Okay. Guys, that's one, guys. Okay, so that ang sauce ani mo absorb sa egg also. So we just put like this, and after this one we're gonna cover so that the carrots and potatoes are going to cook. Okay, we're gonna cover and carrots are cooked. Okay, look at our ground meat with 12 eggs. Okay, the carrots and potatoes are cooked. So I'm carrots and potatoes. Oh, it's yummy, but it's hot. Guys, so that's our ground meat with 12 eggs. Okay? Look at that one. It's super yummy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye.